Don't. There we go. Hi Nathan, it's me, Alex. Yeah, you should probably know that. Oh, man, you know I miss you, and you just know that even though you're really far away, which you are, you're really, really far away, you're still remembered here. People still talk about you all the time. It's like, it's so crazy. It's like you have a life here even though you don't even live anywhere remotely close to here. You don't even speak the same language we speak here, which is, you know, that's insane, I guess. So anyway, so people are still thinking about you, and people still care about you, and I still care about you, and so we made you a video for your 15th birthday that was like 2 months ago.
Oh, hello little Nathan. Just videotape her, okay? Just watch her do the dances. Do something creepy.
I'm not doing anything creepy, man.
She's like, yeah.
Hello. Are we talking?
Yeah.
I love Nathan.
I miss you so much. I'm not even kidding. I remember the glory days, Nathan. I remember them. Happy birthday. I miss you. I hope you come
Nathan.
and visit. Or
No. My turn. Okay. Okay, so me and Nathan have a cool story because we weren't friends, and then he left and we became really good friends, and now we're super tight, and I love Nathan, and I'm gonna go see you next summer. I'm seeing Nathan. Happy birthday, Nathan.
I know, personally me, I'm turning 16, so I guess you're just so young, you know? Just kidding. I'm sure being 15 is nice.
Hey Nathan, is it going?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well then, hey Nathan, happy birthday, the big one too, you know? 12 years old. I'm just gonna get some Pepsi here. It's birthday Pepsi, you know? Yeah, happy birthday.
Let me know.
Yeah, it's going.
Asshole. Hello Nathan, go to hell.
Okay, I'm done.
happy birthday, Nathan. I love you. I'm coming to Italy twice. I love you, man. I love you. I fucking love you, man.
Yeah. I live friends with him. I wouldn't even know what to say. It's his birthday. Happy birthday.
Ralph.
That kid knows.
What do you have to say to Nathan for his birthday?
Are you a sad toaster made of glass?
I don't know how to say happy birthday in Italian.
I almost do because I'm taking a Spanish class.
Spanish has nothing to do with it. But happy birthday, Nathan.
I talked to you online and Robert's still a douchebag. We definitely need to... Oh, have you seen Kaylin yet?
What?
Look at this. Look at the size comparison. Sophomore right here.
This is the kid that's gonna kill it.
Peace.
Is this recording?
This is going to Italy.
Really?
Yeah, come say hi to the Italians.
Hi, Italians.
Say hi, Italians.
Dude, we gotta go. We gotta go.
We gotta go!
I have like 10.
Alright, happy birthday, Nathan.
Yeah, dude.
Hi Nathan, it's Amy. I just want to say happy birthday and that we miss you a lot. And I hope everything's going well in Italy. Twice?
That wasn't like suddenly a conversation about football with the other 10 people.
Oh, well, I just wish you a very happy birthday and I really hope to see you sometime.
Happy birthday, Nika. You know who this is? What up, bitch? Take you down to Brown Town, bitch. But seriously, happy birthday, Nika.
I'm so happy for you, Nathan, with this chick that you like. And I'm trying to make sure I'm not going to run into any holes. I'm sorry. It probably looks really awkward. But I'm really happy for you and that chick. I don't know if you guys are ever going to go out. And you know that girl that likes you? Tell her she's a freak. And Camilla
Is that for Nathan?
yeah. I love you, Nate. You're really hot.
I haven't seen her forever.
You're really sexy.
What up, dude? How's it, Nathan? What's your sure you know who I am. I'm the retard of the group. These fucking kids are fucking in my way.
Graham, happy birthday. Thumbs up to all of your dreams.
Well, happy birthday, Nathan. I thought it's your birthday. Except it's not your birthday anymore, but I hope you had a good one.
Hi Nathan, I miss you. I don't really know what to say, and I'm making this, and you just got me in a lot of trouble. I'm just kidding, but yeah, I don't know what to say.
Tell him happy birthday, because
Okay.
this is
happy late birthday.
Yeah.
It's very, very late. Okay, bye.
Nathan. Fuck Nathan, huh? Fuck you, Nathan. It's recording.
Call him Graham. Graham is Nathan's name. Yeah.
Fuck you, Nathan.
Nathan.
I just got a new controller. It's blue, and my 360. Oh yeah. Can you back off there, Quinn? Oh, never mind.